Welcome to SerialTek. In this video, we'll walk through the unboxing and setup of the BusXpert PCIe NVMe Micro 2 analyzer. In the box, you'll find the Micro 2 analyzer itself, a 19.5 volt, 180 watt power supply, an IEC 320C5 cable, also known as the Mickey Mouse or Cloverleaf cable. Next, you'll see the cascade cable. This is used to pass the clock from one analyzer to another for combined traces. To communicate with the analyzer, control it, and download traces, we have an Ethernet cable. And for those who prefer to use USB, we have a USB to Ethernet dongle. Finally, we have SerialTek's proprietary SFF8644 cables. These connect the analyzer to its respective interposer. These have the appearance of HD mini-SAS cables, but the pinouts are different, and HD mini-SAS cables cannot be used. Before proceeding with setup, we want to caution all users that SerialTek products are susceptible to electrostatic discharge, or ESD. As such, we require the test setup, the analyzer and interposer to all be powered down during the cabling process. To set up the analyzer, make sure the analyzer power switch is in the off position. Connect the analyzer power supply to the analyzer power supply cable, and connect the analyzer power supply to the analyzer's power port located on the rear left side of the analyzer. To control the analyzer and download traces, we take the Ethernet cable and connect it to the analyzer's Ethernet port located at the rear right of the analyzer. And those of you preferring USB can then connect the Ethernet cable to the USB to Ethernet dongle. Finally, for the analyzer setup, we connect the 8644 cables to the 8644 connectors at the analyzer's front. The connectors on the analyzer and on the interposer are identical, and the respective mating connectors on the cables themselves are also identical. This means that either end of the cable can be connected to either the analyzer or the interposer. For SerialTek PCIe interposers and analyzers, we connect downstream on the analyzer to downstream on the interposer, and upstream on the analyzer to upstream on the interposer. This concludes the setup of the Micro 2 PCIe analyzer. For additional information, please contact support at serialtek.com or visit serialtek.com/start.php.